Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. I am Siti Mursyidah from DLM4C, and in this video I will be presenting about international trade and its transportation. Firstly, I will explain to all of you about supply chain management. Supply chain management is the management of the flow of goods and service, includes all process that transform raw materials into final products. It also represents an effort by suppliers to develop and implement supply chain that are as efficient and economical as possible. It also attempts to centrally control or link the production, shipment, and distribution of a product. Next, I will explain to all of you about logistics. So, logistics is part of the supply chain management process that plans, implements, and controls the efficient, effective forward, reverses flow, storage of goods, services and related information between the point of origin and the point of consumption in order to meet customers' requirement. In easier words, it is the movement of storage and flow of goods, services and information inside and outside the organization. Moving on, we will be discussing about international trade. International trade is the exchange of goods and services among nations. The development and manufacturing of goods and the design of services are a primary activity of the global value chain. Trading globally gives consumers and countries the opportunity to be exposed to goods and services not available in their country or which would be expensive domestically. Okay, now I have listed out the transport document that used in international trade. Firstly is the delivery order, the dock receipt, the bill of lading, seaway bill, airway bill, shipping guarantee, and packing note or list. And now we will talk about the mode of transportation and 5 of its type. Firstly is road transportation. It is a type of transport by using roads. Transport on roads can be roughly grouped into transportation of goods and transportation of people. In many countries, licensing requirements and safety regulations ensure a separation of the two industries. One of the examples for road transportation is a lorry and a minivan. Railway transportation is a means of transferring passengers and goods on wheeled vehicles running on rails which are located on tracks. In contrast to road transports, where vehicles run on a prepared flat surface, rail vehicles are directionally guided by the tracks on which they run. One of the examples are urban rail transit, rapid transit, and commuter rail. Next is the pipeline transportation. Pipeline transportation is a method of transportation which involves movement of solid, liquid, or gaseous products over long distances through pipelines. This mode of transportation is mostly used for transport of crude and refined petroleum products such as oil and natural gas. Next up is sea transportation. Sea transportation is any movement of goods using sea-going vessels on voyages which are undertaken wholly or partly at sea. Up to 90% of world's merchandise are carried by sea, and the reason is that there are multiple benefits for foreign trade compared with air, rail, or road transport. Lastly is air transport. Air transport is one of the fastest modes of public transport which connects international boundaries. Air transport allows people and goods from different countries to cross international boundaries and travel other countries for personal, business, medical, and tourism purposes. It is an important enabler to achieve economic growth and development. It helps generate trade and promote tourism. Alright, now let's watch a video on how DHL Express handle their international shipments. Sending a shipment with DHL Express is easy. With their simple-to-use shipping tools, we can print out our own way bill and book a collection. Once our courier has collected our shipment, it enters a dependable DHL Express network. Our shipment will first be sorted at a DHL service center before traveling on to a DHL hub where it is sorted for onward travel so that your shipment can be loaded onto a DHL aircraft. The information needed for custom clearance is sent out automatically to the final destination so that your shipment is free to be delivered on touchdown. Many of our international shipments pass through DHL European Air Hub in Leipzig, Germany. There, the shipment connects with another flight. DHL extensive global network means that your shipment is handled by DHL throughout its journey and you can track your shipment at all times with our online tracking tools. On arrival at destination, your shipment is scanned and sorted for domestic delivery at a DHL hub and local service center before completing its final model delivery. The DHL Express courier ensures that our shipment is delivered safely and signed for. So, you can rest assured that your shipment is in safe hands from beginning to end. So, what do all of you think about the video? For me, I think it's amazing how DHL Express manages their international shipments to all around the world. So, I guess this is the end of my presentation. Thanks for watching!